In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to download and extract a static website from Lovable AI. Whether you're polishing up a project or just looking to have a hard copy of your work, these steps will help you get there. Let's dive right in. To start off, you'll want to open up Google Chrome and log into your Lovable AI account. If you're not already familiar, Lovable AI is a versatile platform that many use for various projects, and it's always essential to use a reliable browser like Chrome for an optimal experience. Once logged in, you'll land on the project dashboard. This is your command center, showcasing all the projects you've been working on. It's also where you'll track your progress and manage various elements of your work. From here, we're heading to the section where you can export or download your files. Scroll or navigate over to the export or download section. Depending on the layout or updates in the interface, the section might vary slightly in appearance. Just keep an eye out for keywords like export or download. This section is crucial as it provides options to get your hands on the work you've created. Look for the option that says download static website. This specific option is what enables you to get a zip file containing all of the static files for your website. Static websites are essentially a collection of fixed content files such as HTML, CSS, and JavaScript, and can be viewed in a web browser without server-side processing. Downloading these will allow you to work on or showcase your project offline, or just keep it as a neat backup. Once you've clicked on Download Static Website, the platform will start preparing your files. This might take a moment, so a little patience goes a long way here. The system is essentially packaging up all your work into one convenient zip file. Think of this like bundling up a bunch of related documents into a neat folder that you can take with you. When the file is ready, you'll be prompted to download the zip file. Click on the download link and choose where on your computer you want to save it. It's usually a good idea to save it somewhere easy to remember, like your desktop or a designated project folder, so you can easily locate it later. After downloading, the next step is to extract the zip file. Most computers have a built-in tool for this, so you should be able to right-click the zip file and select Extract All, or an equivalent option. Choose where you'd like to extract the files for easier access. Once extracted, you'll see all the static elements of your project laid out and ready for use or further modification. And there you have it, a complete guide to downloading and extracting static website files from Lovable AI. Now you're equipped to handle your project files with ease. Thanks for tuning in, and stay creative.